Up-and-coming dancehall artist On Sound Mynd is featured in this week's Up Next segment. On Sound Mynd, and my mind will go next.
Up Next is brought to you by Magnum Tonic Wine. Take charge.
It's funny how who you love never love you in return. It's funny how who you trust are them first one dish you dirt.
My biggest inspiration of my mother is me. Yeah, cause from day one I always say I want to give her the best life I can give her, isn't me? Cause growing up it's kinda rough. I never really have it easy, isn't it? And I feel like I want to change things, you understand? I want to make sure I have everything what she never have, isn't it? So she is my biggest inspiration. I'm originally from rural St. Catherine, born in Spanish Town. Grew up in Boys Content, between Boys Content and Old Harbour. Lived in gutters for about 15 years. Went to Boys Content Primary, went to Old Harbour High. After leaving Old Harbour High, I went to Portmore Community College.
I'd make it your warm owner. And me said, know you are fool in disguise. But when them don't know me, know how them a hide. But you know that girl, they don't lie. I know the boy, they don't real.
My real name is Delmart Brown. Alright, On Sound Mynd was a slang of mine. I always have the slang from ever since, isn't it? And most time I perform, I use the slang and I realize people, I take on to the slang and I call me On Sound Mynd. And they really forgot my original name, them start calling me On Sound Mynd right through, isn't it? So I say, you want a man, On Sound Mynd, my name as of now, isn't it? I realize everybody gravitate towards the name, so I'm just stick with it and work with it. My main objective is a Grammy. Not even one Grammy, like more than one Grammy, isn't it? It can even be 3 or 2, you see me? But main objective is to get a Grammy, understand?
Who you love never love you in return. It's funny how who you trust are them first one dish you dirt. It's funny how the same people you stand for stand aside and watch you get conquered. It's funny how the same one you give you strength, no one you get stronger.
I've been doing work with producers like Anja Blacks, UIM Records, Frankie Music, Shawnee's Music, yeah, the 3 main production groups. Understand? Yeah, I have some real thing I cook up in the lab right now, like Lesson Learned, I Know, 24K White Gold, 3 hits single, I know say I'll deal with the street away, isn't it?
But when them don't know me, know how them a hide. I know that girl, they don't lie. I know that boy, they don't real. I know that fool, they are the enemy. But them don't know what about me. It's funny how
In our Campari Trends feature, let's hear about chain belts for females, which has become a popular trend. Check it out.
Campari Trends is brought to you by Campari. Come together. Love him or hate him, chain belts are here to stay. Chain belts are described as versatile, and unlike traditional belts, they can be easily adjusted to fit any waist. Chain belts can be worn with any outfit. When teamed with a jeans and a jacket, it looks refreshingly modern. For a classic look, chain belts and the dresses fit perfect.
After the break, it's Junior Kelly and the flashback video. Pree Dis returns after this break.
Digital, data for myself. LTE, fast and reliable. If your network a hit, make sure you switch. Upgrade, move up, cause did you never miss? Premium plans, no value for your money. More data for you and your honey. First 2 bills with the month top up for your body per credit, so you can chat now. Say Digicel, I feel me sell. My Digicel up on me best friend. The music, make you move it. What sports max my team never lose yet. Let's go send a message from Bip. 10-way video call with the whole click. How when me done me watch a movie. Super fast internet, that's why me chose it. We no like slow. Upgrade your digital life now, and everything will be alright fast. Digicel, you are the boss. Best plans with the best cost. High speed internet, quality ya where you get. We no deal with slow, so no fret. Digicel, killer say you are the best. Digicel, I feel me sell.